the stories we were told of kings and days of old, but there's no England now. All the wars that were won and lost somehow don't seem to matter very much anymore. All the lies we were told, all the lives of the people were around, the castles are burning. Oh, much to change, but inside we're the same as we held. Living on a thin line. Ooh, tell me now, what are we supposed to do? Living on a thin line. Ooh, tell me now, what are we supposed to do? Living on a thin line, living this way each day's a dream. Tell me now, what are we supposed to do? Living on a thin line. Ooh, tell me now, what are we supposed to do? And now another century gone. What are we gonna leave for the young? We wouldn't do what we couldn't do. It's a crime, it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter much, doesn't matter much to you. Does it ever really matter? Yes, it really matters. Living on a thin line. Ooh, tell me now, what are we supposed to do? Living on a thin line. Ooh, tell me now, what are we supposed to do? Living on a thin line, living this way each day's a dream. Tell me now, what are we supposed to do? Living on a thin line. Ooh, tell me now, what are we supposed to do? And another arena says, break some hearts and break some heads. Is there nothing we can say or do? Blame the future on the past. Always lost in bloody guts. When we're gone, it's me and you. Living on a thin line. Ooh, tell me now, what are we supposed to do? Living on a thin line. Ooh, tell me now, what are we supposed to do? Living on a thin line, living this way each day.